Are you thinking of buying a home in Ireland? Well, before you get mortgage approved, stop. Because right now, Irish buyers are facing a steep climb. Property prices are at near record highs. Median home prices have jumped 42% in the last 5 years. Interest rates have doubled in the last 3 years. And supply, well, it's still deeply constrained. So let's start with what the Central Bank of Ireland actually allows banks to lend, and why that may be very different from what you should actually borrow. There are two key rules every mortgage applicant in Ireland must work within. The first one is called loan to income. This caps how much you can borrow based on your gross annual income. For first-time buyers, they can borrow up to 4 times their gross income. For second and subsequent buyers, they're capped at 3.5 times their gross income. So if you're a first-time buyer earning €60,000, the most that you can borrow is €240,000. And a second-time buyer on the same income, well, the most that they can borrow is €210,000. Now, banks can approve some borrowers above these caps, but those exceptions are tightly limited and not guaranteed. The second rule is called loan to value. This defines the minimum deposit that you need. So for first-time buyers, the minimum deposit is 10%. For second or subsequent buyers, it's 20%. Buy-to-let, 30%. So let's say we take a home valued at €350,000. A first-time buyer will need to put down €35,000. All the additional closing costs, such as legal, stamp duty, etc., are in addition.